All right, picture this. Apple just went and leaked something that could completely redefine what we think an iPhone should look like. And no, it's not just another camera bump. Oh, and iOS 19, it might actually look like it was designed in 2025 instead of 2015. Intrigued? Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one because these leaks are something else. Welcome back to Rumor Replay, your one-stop shop for everything Apple before Apple officially tells us about it. Today we're diving into juicy leaks about the iPhone 17 Air, an iPad Air upgrade that might have a hidden trick, and an iOS redesign that could make you love your camera app again. Let's just say this week's Apple rumors are spicy. Let's dive in. Okay, first up, this leaked image of the iPhone 17 Air has the internet losing its collective mind. Why? Because it ditches the classic corner camera bump for a full-width camera bar. Yeah, think RoboCop meets your iPhone, and here's the kicker. It's got just one camera lens, one. Like Apple just decided, you know what, let's make it look like it's got all the bells and whistles, but psych. Traveling a lot, or you want more beautiful desk setup? Stop packing endless chargers. The Coxie X40Q and X55 Ultra 3-in-1 foldable chargers simplify your travel. Fast Qi 2 wireless charging for all your devices. Compact, powerful, and made for iPhone or Samsung users. Upgrade your travel game or your setup. Click the link below and grab yours now and save 10% with our discount coupon for all Coxie products. Travel smarter, charge faster. But seriously, this camera bar is giving me early 2000s Nokia vibes, except it's on a device that costs more than my rent. So why the drastic design shift? Well, rumor has it that the camera bar is part of a new tapered design. This lines up perfectly with Ming-Chi Kuo's cryptic claim that the iPhone 17 Air would be 5.5 millimeter at its thinnest part. Translation, this phone's going to look like a piece of futuristic origami with an extra thick camera bar glued to the back. Next up, let's talk spring. And no, not the season. Apple's rumored spring product lineup includes a refreshed iPhone SE and an iPad Air. First, the iPhone SE. According to leaks, it might actually get Dynamic Island. You know, the feature that was supposed to be a premium thing? Imagine buying a base iPhone 16 and realizing you spent hundreds more. For the exact same feature your little brother's budget phone just got. But here's the plot twist. Apple apparently plans to retire the current SE altogether. Rest in peace to the budget king. But hey, at least we're getting Dynamic Island, right? Maybe. Oh, and the iPad Air? Leaks say it's getting an M3 chip, which makes me wonder, why even bother? I mean, don't get me wrong, more power's great. But unless this iPad Air is hiding a killer upgrade we don't know about yet, it feels like Apple just wanted to make the Pro look slightly more pro. Now, let's talk software. iOS 19 is rumored to get a major camera app redesign. And here's where it gets wild. Apparently, Apple is taking inspiration from VisionOS with translucent UI elements and a futuristic vibe. Think sci-fi movie hacker scene, but, you know, for selfies. Honestly, if this means I don't have to spend 10 minutes scrolling through filters before finding the one I like, I'm all for it. But don't get your hopes up for a complete iOS redesign. Apple's been pretty conservative with these updates lately. Think of this more as a fresh coat of paint than a full remodel. Finally, let's talk about something you never thought you'd care about: cooling systems. According to reports, Apple's upping their cooling game across the entire iPhone 17 lineup. Yes, even the non-Pro models. This could mean one thing: Apple's gearing up for some serious AI features. Think ChatGPT, but built right into your phone. Just make sure your pockets don't overheat. So, is Apple finally listening to our complaints about their phones doubling as hand warmers in the summer? Maybe. Or maybe they just want us to stop using frozen peas to cool them down. So, there you have it. An iPhone 17 Air with a camera bar straight out of a sci-fi movie, a Dynamic Island upgrade for budget buyers, and an iOS 19 refresh that might actually make you excited about opening the camera app. Oh, and don't forget the cooling upgrades, because apparently our phones are now gaming PCs. If you're as hyped or confused about these rumors as I am, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your wildest Apple rumor predictions. Who knows, maybe Apple will add a coffee machine to the iPhone 18. Until next time, stay curious. Peace out.